Welcome back to AppleInsider. Today, we're taking a look at the most jaw-dropping iPhone yet. Coming in 2026, Apple is setting a new benchmark for what a smartphone can be. And no, this isn't a concept. This is the future, real, powerful, and almost unreal. Let's start with the headline feature, the camera. Apple's new iPhone Pro Ultra comes with a 200-megapixel main sensor, developed in-house and enhanced with AI-powered computational photography. What does that mean? Insane clarity, cinematic depth, and performance that rivals professional cameras, even in low light. Every shot feels like it's straight from a film studio. But what's powering this beast? Under the hood, the A20 Bionic chip, Apple's most powerful yet. Built on a 1.5 nanometers architecture, it's not only blazing fast, it's also smart. It learns how you use your phone, optimizing everything from app launches to battery usage. Speaking of battery, Apple heard the demand loud and clear. The new iPhone packs a massive 7,000 mAh battery. Yes, you heard that right, 7,000. Apple's new energy-efficient OLED XDR display combined with smart power management means you're looking at up to 3 days of real-world usage on a single charge. And when it's time to juice up, the new MagSafe 3.0 can get you to 80% in just under 25 minutes. Design-wise, Apple's gone futuristic. Aerospace-grade titanium edges, a ceramic back that's 40% more shatter-resistant, and a seamless edge-to-edge display with virtually invisible bezels. Oh, and the notch. It's gone. Replaced by a dynamic island 2.0, smaller, smarter, and more useful than ever before. The software side is just as exciting. Running iOS 20, this iPhone integrates advanced AR features, real-time AI assistance, and new app experiences built specifically for the Vision Pro ecosystem. It's clear Apple is doubling down on a connected, spatial future. So, who is this phone for? If you're a creator, power user, or just someone who wants the absolute best tech in your pocket, this is it. Apple isn't just catching up with competitors anymore, they're pulling ahead into a future where your phone does more than ever before. And that's your first look at the upcoming 2026 iPhone with a 200 megapixels camera and 7,000 mAh battery. What do you think? Is this your next upgrade? Drop your thoughts in the comments, don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned, because the future is just getting started. Would you like a version of this script with visuals or captions for editing?